we move to the penultimate topic, that is the topic number 22. In this, we have some real world problem. Let me just read it out. It's about interest and stuff. We have to write a recursive formula. Nasser had 15,000 dirhams in credit debt when he graduated from the college. The balance increased by 2% each month due to interest. Murabaha. Interest is the amount of payment the bank or some entity holds on you. Basically, it's like paying them back. Now, if you borrow, say, 100,000 dirhams as a loan, when you're giving back to the bank, you just don't pay 100,000. You have to pay a little more based on the interest. So that is the interest. And Nasser could only make 400 dirhams payment per month. Write a recursive formula for the balance of his account each month, then determine the balance after 5 months. Okay, let's see. So this can be read, but this is very important. First, let's understand the initial amount. What is the initial amount? Let's take it as A1. So AN can be any balance of the nth month. Initial will be A1. So this is the first one. After the first month, what is going to happen? So this is the initial. So this is basically A1, but it's not the month one. It is where it started. Plus 2% of A1. That is 2% of A1 minus monthly payment 400. This is very important because the interest adds on to the balance, whereas the payments made is subtracted. So what is 2% of A1? It is about 1 second, let me just do it. 2% would be, I think so, 150 into 2, sorry, 300, yeah, around 300. Yes, it's 300 exactly. So 15,000, 2% will be 300. So he is not only paying 15,000, he has to pay 15,300, but 400 is subtracted. So this would be the equation, but we need to write it properly. What does it mean? A1 is the first term, initial amount. 2% means it's 0.02. You can just check it over here if you're getting confused with it. 2% would be 0.02. So 1 A1 plus 0.02 A2, or you can just 1 plus, because the terms are same, right? The like terms can be added. So it'll be 1.02 A1 minus 400. Look over here. What's going to happen? It's going to be 1.02 A1 minus 400. That would be after first month. A2 means after first month. Okay, don't think this is the second month. No, it is not the second month. It's after first month because this is the initial values. Now, if you write a recursive formula, imagine this is the nth month, AN. What would happen is this would be n minus 1. That's it. Okay, you need to know 1 before. Now then, this is the recursive formula. An equals 1.02, an minus 1 minus 400. So let's find the next 5 terms because after 5 months, right? So after the first month, because this is the initial amount, the first month, this would be the result, 14,900. Why? Because it's 15,000. You can just do this over here directly. 15,000 multiplied by 1.02, it's 1.02 minus 400. So that is the first month. Now this changes, 15,000 changes to 14,900. I'll just put the answer. So after 2 months, it'll be 14,798. After 3 months, this would be the answer. After 4 months, and after 5 months, this would be the answer. Look, after 1, after 2, let's say after 3 month, 4 month, and the 5th month, after 5th month, 3, 4, and 5. So if you write A as 0, then you would get it like A1, 2, 3. But since we start with the A1, it's like that. So understand this is after first month, second month, third month, fourth month, and after 5th month, you will have to still pay 14,479.6 dirhams. So it is not a great way to just pay back 400. It won't make much difference because there's a huge amount. If you had paid more, then this would significantly reduce. Say, for example, if you had paid 4,000 something, it would significantly reduce the interest, because otherwise the balance, if you're paying just so much, the interest is too much, so it won't make much difference. So to avoid the interest, you need to pay up soon and quickly. That is how it is. So after fifth month, the balance would be so much. The recursive formula is over here, and the nth value after 5 months is given over here. So this is how we basically solve it. Now, even over here, you can easily try this by yourself and solve it. It's just a little bit different, but you can try this. So the answers are over here. And so now there's one thing, it's not in dollars, it's in dirhams, AD. So just make sure the answer, the question is the same thing, it's in dirhams. I'm sorry for that. So answers are the same. Please do try it by yourself. You can see the A1 first term is over here, recursive formula, and finding the next 5 terms, and whichever sixth month. Same way over here, please do try it by yourself. This is just like what we just now solved, just that you have to find it until 8 years. Now again over here, this is this is in dirhams, not in dollars, but the answers are the same thing. Please solve it by yourself and then check the answers. So that's it. So that is the end of the 22nd topic. And the next topic would be the last topic in the last final video.